Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar Japanese yen for 5th April. So this video and analysis is for 5th April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 6th April. I bring videos on daily basis and in advance so that you do not miss any opportunity and you also stay ahead of the market. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. So, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is a chart of US dollar Japanese yen. Okay. And as we all know, this pair is an uptrend for a long period of time and very nice uptrend. Okay, so this is the overall chart of US dollar Japanese yen. And just by looking at this chart, anybody can tell that beautiful chart, very bullish chart. Okay, there is no doubt about it. It's not it. So in a market like this, okay, we should always be looking for buying opportunities. It's not it. Yes, because market is bullish. So if you look for shorting opportunity, then you will be losing money because you'll be going against the trend. So market is very bullish, no doubt about it. Now let's switch to the weekly time frame. So this is the weekly time frame. As you can see, market is a beautiful uptrend since the beginning of 2021. So for last 3 months, we can see that market is in a very bullish. Market is very bullish, and we have seen that market has taken support at this level, and from there, okay, market has gone up previous week. So there is no doubt about the market that market is very bullish. But we cannot ignore the fact that market has some resistance as well. So this is a resistance level for the market right now. Okay, because you can see that in the year 2020, when market tried to cross this 112 level, okay, 112 level twice, twice, market failed and ultimately market came down. So this level is a resistance for the market, and this level will provide some pain to the market, okay, because it will not allow the market to cross the level very easily. And as you can see, market has already entered the resistance zone right now. So right now market is in the resistance zone. Okay, so if I switch to the normal chart right now, we can see that market was in uptrend bullish run, and right now see market is flat. As I've just mentioned, market has entered the resistance zone. But overall, the trend of the market is very bullish. So bulls are not ready to go down that easily. So right now there is a struggle going on in the market between the buyers and the sellers. Okay, buyers who are very much active for the last 3 months are trying to take the market upward, and the bulls who are sitting at 112 level, okay, 112 level, are trying to push the market downward. So there is a struggle going on between the going on in the market between the bulls and the bears. Okay, just try to understand the market psychology here. So in a market condition like this, what you should do? Okay. So if we follow the overall trend, so trend says that we should go for a buy, because see, till now, okay, till now market is being dominated by the bulls. Okay, so if we short the market right here, so we will be risking our capital, because overall trend of the market is very bullish. Okay, this is not a sideways market, this is a very bullish market. So if we short the market right here, we will be going against the trend. So that is not the option for us right now. So what we should do, we can have two strategies here. The first strategy is wait for the market to come down. Okay, wait for the market to come down, and when market will hit the 50 moving average, okay, when market will hit the 50 moving average after coming down, observe the market. Okay, observe the market, how how does it react. Okay, if you see that market is taking support at the 50 moving average, okay, if market is taking support at the 50 moving average and about to bounce, then you can go for a buy order. Okay, I'm not saying that you need to go for a long term trading, okay, but you will be making at least good amount of money. You will be making some quick profit out of it. Okay, when market will be taking support at a 50 moving average, okay, you will get to see a hammer kind of a pattern or price rejection from below or a big green candle like this. Once you get a confirmation that yes, 50 moving average is acting as support, go for a buy. This is your strategy number one. Okay, and when you'll be buying, then this will be your target 110.94 or simply 111. This is your target. Okay, so this is your strategy number one. And second strategy you can follow is wait for the market to cross this level. Okay, as I've already mentioned, there's a fight going on between the bulls and the bears. So if market crosses this level, okay, if market crosses this level, then it will surely be trading above this level. So when market will cross 110.94 level or this high, when market will cross this high and make a candle, wait, let me change the color to green. When market will form a green candle here, okay, then just observe the price. If you see that market is trading comfortably, okay, it is not struggling, okay, it's doing great after 3-4 hours, okay, just observe the market for 3 to 4 hours and just try to understand the market psychology here. If you see that after 3-4 hours market is doing great, no such struggle, okay, you can go for a buy. Okay, you can easily go for a buy, and your target will be 111.62 or let's say 60. 111.60 is the target because 111.60 is the resistance that we have seen in the weekly chart. Okay, so let the market cross this line. If market trades comfortably and the resistance becomes the support, then go for a buy. This will be your target. So this is the strategy number 2. So these are the two strategies that you can follow for USD JPY for Monday or 5th April 2021. So as the market is in or market has already entered into a critical resistance zone, so we need to be careful unlike the previous times. So hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So see you tomorrow again. Take care. Bye bye.